Knowledge creation. Knowledge creation here refers to organizational knowledge creation in business. Knowledge is an important entity. In organization, the capacity and ability to distribute and duplicate knowledge across group of people is very vital to add value to it. Knowledge is an organization process that people develop through their work performance. Knowledge resides as personalized knowledge within a individual be stored, retrieved as artifact or accessible through others. It is and possible to swap knowledge with information or with new events. After artifact in this context refers to fact, concept, process, procedure, and principles help in knowledge creation. Artifacts are valuable mechanism in knowledge management literature because they help share the outcomes of knowledge creation. Organization increasingly regard knowledge creation and innovation as core business. As more people spend most of their work and time creating and innovating knowledge, creation is thus a key component in developing organizational knowledge. Organizational knowledge refers to collective and individuals' contributions and evolves from organization knowledge sources. In projects, meeting and think tank individuals' knowledge becomes a part of collective activity that seeks to build the bank of knowledge for use by the organization. There are five stages of organizational knowledge development. First one, knowledge sourcing. Second one, knowledge abstraction. Third one, knowledge conversion. Fourth one, knowledge diffusion. And fifth one, knowledge development and refinement. The process of knowledge development is dynamic and responsive, drawing curves and feedback from a range of sources throughout the stage. This feedback may influence subsequent knowledge construction with cues and information considered and evaluated. Knowledge sourcing. Knowledge gaps identification in the starting point for stimulating knowledge creation. Knowledge gap is the gap between what is known and what need to be known. Therefore, in order to identify the knowledge gap, the organization commonly. Review the guidance source held by individual and other organizational sources. This process of gathering and collecting various informed knowledge include specialized knowledge, knowledge held by individuals out of experience within the organization, knowledge from expert guidance from consultant, knowledge from organization recorded source from the firm intranet. Knowledge sourcing is the first stage and in fact significant stage in knowledge creation process. The calibrate with respect to the availability, accessibility, and richness of the knowledge source several key factors for knowledge creation because they greatly influence the outcomes. For example, if an organization wants to introduce a need customers promotional scheme, it might seek the appropriate source guidance from customer feedback, marketing expert, opinion data relating to the post promotional scheme success and fairness, suitable secondary data available and competitors' opinion about similar types of schemes. The knowledge sourcing is crucial for any organization to establish its strategic competence. The following are some of the significant sources of knowledge used in knowledge sourcing: customer knowledge, knowledge in process, knowledge in people, organizational memory. Customer knowledge. Customer knowledge is the most crucial source of knowledge that helps in knowledge sourcing. This fact, even though realized by business houses, they fail to create feedback system to get valuable sources of knowledge about their customers. They also do not integrate the various sources of their customer knowledge that they already possess. Knowledge in process. An organization generally identifies an activity and evolves it into a process. In course of time, this process is automated and knowledge is embedded in a procedure or computer program. This action involves gathering and processing of information and their communicated to other people. This is vital meta knowledge helps an organization to be recorded. Knowledge in people. 90% of the organizational knowledge remain with it people who are its valuable resource in sharing of to the organization as a where Therefore, knowledge management facilitate knowledge sharing through knowledge accumulations. In knowledge sharing, its people knowledge becomes even more valuable. Become organizational memory. Many organizations do not know what they already know. This is because it fails to record the knowledge gained for using it at another time or place. Effective knowledge programs will therefore put significant emphasis on capturing knowledge from everyday work and from assignments. Decision diaries, reflection, time at meeting, and after action reviews ARR are commonly adapted tools for this purpose. An ARR, for example, is a technique first developed in the use army to capture lesson from battlefield engagements. Similarly, an organization also conduct formal post-assignment reviews to drive lessons and put the knowledge gained into an accessible from for future assignments. Another useful techniques is that of knowledge refinding with which a series of memos, emails or meeting minutes are collected for their relevant and reusable content which is put into an evolving and structured knowledge base. Knowledge relationship. This is concerned with the depth of personal knowledge arising out of relationship of two people who worked together for a long time and know another one approach. When firm recognize this knowledge is lost with the growing need for collaboration with the external partners and agencies, organization need to do more to capture this knowledge and provide forms where this relationship can be strengthened. Knowledge abstraction. From abstraction is a process involving the analysis of various sources of knowledge to generate general principles and concepts. These principles and concepts guide in the construction of new knowledge. Knowledge abstraction helps to frame the insight gained from knowledge sourcing and to extrapolate new knowledge from the basic guidelines and issues that have emerged. Knowledge conversion. From abstract foundation, knowledge converts into various forms of useful application that can be tested and shared with others. Knowledge conversion describes the phase during which the various ideas and principles are refined into specific outcomes. It is quite possible to codify knowledge. Knowledge codify facilitate regarding and assessing whenever required. Codify knowledge also develop into artifact such as models, equation guidelines. Embodied knowledge is the tacit knowledge of intent and shared through stories, metaphors, or personal advice. As many embody knowledge is more difficult to assess without of engagement with the knowledge creation. Example, knowledge relating to customer marketing scheme might of a marketing plan and implementation guidelines. Embody knowledge is the knowledge drawn from such guidelines, and many organizations typically rely on both the forms of knowledge conversion when creating new knowledge. Knowledge diffusion. When one knowledge once codified and embodied spread them communication media. This is knowledge diffusion in organization and sitting diffusion occurs through communication media such newsletters, the intranet, meetings, seminars, etc. Modeling of the practice and demonstration or coaching is specialized process. The success of knowledge diffusion depends on the level of prevent knowledge held by the audience and the effectiveness of the changing available to share. The knowledge diffusion occurs best when recipients can understand and integrate the insight into their own members' constructions. Embodied knowledge, which draws on significant expertise, learning, and experience, may be harder to transfer to others. The goal is to share the knowledge with those who will most benefit. Knowledge development and refinement. Regularly receiving knowledge and further testing through additional experience and feedback leads to the implanting knowledge development and refinement. This is one of the key features of knowledge management, ensuring the knowledge remains current of useful. However, this also places more challenges on organization that seek to capture and hold knowledge for use by others. Such organization need to ensure that the created knowledge is constantly reviewed and updated to reflect new understanding.